Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a channel on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First, click here on this icon here. Now click new channel, and now add your channel name and add description. And also if you want to add a video or photo, and click here, and that's it. It will be created. That's it for today. That's how to create a channel on your account, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.